With a budget of 600,000 and below, which car can you get? These are slightly used vehicles that are on sale. Naenda kuonyesha gari ambazo zinauzwa chini ya laki 6. And of course they're in good condition. Of course, a buy and drive. Welcome guys, this is your boy Peter from Pitash Motors Mombasa, and of course I'm doing it again. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe. If you have already subscribed, thank you, very important. Please leave us a comment and we will appreciate. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the units that are going below 600,000. Zingine zinaenda hata chini ya laki 5, and of course they are genuine. We have ready documents. They have no mechanical issues. They are just buy and drive. So maybe I can start with this super clean unit, a 1500cc engine capacity. And reason number one that you should buy this car is because the car is well maintained. Of course, original paint, has no accident history, and of course it's a very powerful vehicle. Because under the hood we have the 1500cc engine capacity, and of course you can see that the color ticks all the boxes. Gray color, and of course you know gray color ticks all the boxes because it fits both gender. Also, it fits ladies and gentlemen. A 1500cc engine capacity, good looking vehicle. Of course the shape ni shape ambayo utapenda. Maybe I can show you the interior. Fantastic. The car comes with a 4-power window. We have the 2-wheel drive option and of course a 4-wheel drive option. So ukienda mahali ambapo unahitaji 4-wheel drive, it's option, you can do that. So gari kukwama ovyo ovyo is a no. Look at the interior, and infotainment system looking good. Of course you can see that the interior is dark, easy to clean. Wale watu wachafu, sitaki kusema watu wachafu, wacha tu niseme ni easy to clean, au sio? Inaficha ficha ka uchafu. So that is a Nissan Note with only 580,000. You heard me right, 580, laki 580. And of course upon arrival that price is slightly negotiable. Yani ukikuja tunafanya ile kitu kama kawa kama dawa. Ground clearance iko poa. Ground clearance iko poa, is an off-road machine. Hii ile tunasema ni kama Mercedes. No. Ground clearance yake iko perfect. So unacheki, ground clearance is good. Moving on to the next vehicle, we have a Suzuki Alto KDH. This is a 650cc engine capacity. And that is reason number one why you should buy this unit, because of fuel consumption. A 650cc engine capacity, mafuta inanusa, yani inavuta na straw. 650cc, a 2015 model, good looking vehicle, and of course kana nguvu, a very strong car, si mabati ovyo ovyo, a very strong unit. The car comes with alloy rims, looking good, giving it a good look. Let me give you a 360. The side profile also good, looking good. Gari kadogo, hata parking pale nyumbani uteseki, unaweza park mahali popote kwa maana unaweza toka anytime. Hata kama una funguo, hii ni gari ambayo unachukua juu. Unaita jamaa wawili, mnainua, mnasongesha. Sawa? Ukiblock mtu au uitu asubuhi, unapata gari ishaondolewa. Yaani wewe una stress. Unaweza iacha mahali ulale na una stress, tutabishiwa asubuhi waambiwa bro, tuomba kuondolewa gari, tunataka kutoka. No, hii unapata ishaondolewa. It is safe and good. So a 650cc engine capacity. Hii nayo ukinipatia 550 cash money, 550,000. You heard me right, 550. Mimi nakuachia huu mnyama ambao mafuta unasahau. Wengine utasema hii gari haina boot space. Look at that boot space. Is it not big enough? It's big enough to fit in around 3 to 5 suitcases. Look at that hazard, looking good. Let me show you the interior very quickly without wasting time. So guys, if you're watching this video, please, this was just a stock update. Lazima nikaonyesha kitu. I had no plans today, but nikasema wacha nionyeshe gari ambazo mnaweza kuafford, ambazo zinaenda chini ya laki 6. Na zile bei ambazo nataja, kumbuka, they are negotiable. A bright interior, looking good, 140 speed on the gauge, automatic petrol, good looking, 550 cash. You get to go with this beautiful machine home. Aya. Turning on my camera on this side, we have a Suzuki Swift KCL registration, pearl white. This must be 1300cc engine capacity. Reason number one, a very strong vehicle. The color itself, the car is looking good because of the body kits. Unachiki kama ya kwa tint, yani kana ka privacy, kila kitu iko bahari yake. Gari inakuja na fog lights, iko na alloy rims, alafu imetumika vizuri. So it's a buy and drive. 1300cc engine capacity. When we come to fuel consumption, the car ticks all the boxes. The car ticks all the boxes. Look at this spoiler here, looking good. Like I said, it's pearl white, dark interior, looking good. Velvet seat material, and of course mileage below 180,000. Look at that beautiful machine. This is a Suzuki Swift. Look at that. KCL must be a 2010 model. Of course, a buy and drive. Ready documents, tukimalizana tunafanya transfer. Give me 650, and of course 650 bado ni negotiable. 650 is still negotiable for this clean Suzuki Swift. Sitaki kuonyesha hii ukinipatia 790 cash utachukua. Let me look for another car that I can give you on offer price. Maybe for this Nissan Note. If you give me 708,000 cash money, you get to go with this beautiful Nissan Note KDJ registration home. 780, and of course upon arrival there's still room for negotiation. Nice. We have another car here going below 600,000. A KBT registration, a Toyota Succeed. Yeah, a very powerful vehicle. Yeah, you call it punda, donkey. Kwa maana kazi ambayo inafanya ni kazi ya maajabu, kazi ya ajabu zaidi. Ni kazi ya ajabu. KBT registration, a very strong vehicle, gari ya kazi. Yeah, ikiwa una kazi ya kubeba pengine maji, mayai, viazi nini, boga, then this ticks all the boxes. Yeah, hii nayo nataka 550 only, 550,000 cash money, 550, a 1500cc engine capacity, and of course it's a two-wheel drive. Down there you can confirm that it's a two-wheel drive. Fantastic white color. Of course it's an accident free, repainted but well done. It's repainted but of course well done job. If you give me 550, the car is locked up. Nice, it's wide open. Look at that interior. You can mpaka leather seat covers. Yeah, leather seat covers. So if you give me 550,000, Oga, I go give you this car. Sawa. Then kuna hii Toyota Auris. Hii bei yake iko below 600,000, lakini wacha tu nitaje bei yake. It's a 2016 model, good looking vehicle, silver, original paint, accident free. Please guys, come for this vehicle. I'll give you with 1550 cash money. If you're watching this video and you have been looking for a Toyota Auris, and of course a clean one, then this one ticks all the boxes. Hii ni kuja kuangalia mara moja tu na kuingia ofisini na tuongee na tumalizane. Give me 1550, wacha niwapige 360 haraka. Najua iendi kwa chini ya laki 6, lakini I thought it's good if I could have shared this car with you. Look at this beautiful machine. I like how the backlight extends to the boot. Inafanya gari inakuwa ni stylish tena zaidi. KDG is a 2016 model, 1500cc engine capacity, and of course mileage below 100,000 kilometer on the gauge. Another car ambayo sio below 600,000, lakini lazima nitaje kwa maana ni gari ambayo inatafutwa sana, gari ambayo iko on high demand. This is a Suzuki Baleno. KDN must be a 2016 model, 2016/17, but I believe it's a 2016 model. A 1500cc engine capacity, good looking vehicle. Look at these aero rims. Very unique car, looks good. A brother sister to the Toyota Starlet, ile ambayo inatoka Toyota Kenya. Yaani ukinunua hii na mtu anunue Starlet, hata uende ubadilisha hii logo, watu watakuheshimu bro. Look at this beautiful machine, black color, men in black. Look at this. If you give me 1180, 1.180, I go give you this car. Let me look for another car that is going below 600,000. Right. We have Mr. Right here. We have this Nissan Selfie KG11 KCT. This must be a 2012 model, automatic petrol, white color, good looking vehicle. If you give me 680 for this one, 680, give me a good offer, I'll consider, but nipe 680 tu. And of course upon arrival tunafanya ile kitu na kila kitu inakuwa ni bahari yake. So having said that guys, that was it. I guess hizo ndio gari ambazo niko nazo ndani ya nyumba ambazo zinaenda kwa chini ya laki 6. Kumbuka hizo prices ambazo nimetaja, we can still negotiate. So if you have spotted any car ambayo imekupatia ile Kamorara, give me a call, chat me through my WhatsApp platform, we sell the deal. Unagoja nini? Please subscribe. If you have already subscribed, leave us a comment and remember to like. Until next time, see you. Bera. Ciao.